Hello financial programmers, I am Ritvik Dashora. I'm a CFA charter holder and have more than 8 years of work experience into investment banking and investment management field. And in both of these fields, actually I have used programming skills to automate my work, to optimize my work. That's why I do a lot of work in financial programming, and since last many years actually I'm doing a lot of Python coding. Today I have collaborated with Dhan, which is the best API to do trading automation in India. And I'll talk about a lot of things like how to access Dhan's API. I'll go through the documentation. I'll place some trades for you guys, and you can just follow this entire playlist to get a proper understanding of how to use Dhan API and make your entire trading life very, very easy. So guys, let's explore Dhan API now. The link for this one is DhanHQ.co, which is mentioned in the description box. If you click over there, you'll see this page. Here, the first button is of Explore Our APIs. I'll come to this section, but let's see what is this API available for. These are the things, these are the domains that are covered in this API. First thing is traders and geeks, algo platforms, fintechs, banks, stock broker, and PMSs. And if you click on any one of them, for example, this one, you'll see that you just need to provide some basic information, and then someone from the Dhan team will coordinate with you on how to access the API. But there's an easier way. I'll talk about that as well. If you click on the featured partners, you'll see there are many partners, official partners of Dhan for different segments. Like for algo platforms, these are different companies with which Dhan has already partnered with. If you click on, say, charting platforms, I think you would know what is TradingView, right? And even if you go to the TradingView's website, you'll see Dhan is the only Indian platform which is a partner, I would say an official partner of TradingView. So yes, you can connect these platforms with Dhan directly, and you would not be required to do any coding for that. So let's come back to the API segment. If I click on this button, it will bring you down to the different functionalities of this API. The first one starts with Market Feed API, Historical Data API, Order Management API, and so on. So you can see these are all different things that we can do with this particular API. Again, if you click on any one of them, it will ask you to fill some information, and then someone from Dhan's team will contact you. But the better way to do this is through opening a Demat account. I think most of you guys already have a Demat account with Dhan. If you don't have it, the link is in the description box. You just need to click over there, and it will take maximum 5 to 10 minutes to do all the different processes from opening the Demat account to KYC to everything. And then after that, this is the window that will be opened in front of you, right? So in order to access the API, just go to the profile. This is my profile, and then click on the left hand side this section, which is DhanHQ Trading APIs and Access, right? So you'll see this particular window in front of you. Now there will be a button here which you'll have to click to get the access of Dhan's API. I've already done that, and then it'll take 5 to 10 minutes for someone from the service team at Dhan to approve that particular request that you'll have. It's already done in my case, and after that you'll see the third ribbon, which is access token, in front of you. Before that, you won't be able to see this one. So yeah, after doing this, I have already created one access token. In order to create a new one, you just click on the create new access token. Let me just write some name such as test in this case, right? And let's keep the token validity for 24 hours. Let's generate the token, right? So this is the access token. I'll have to copy this, right? And I'll have to provide this particular access token in the code that we'll be writing in some time. And actually, you'll have to follow this entire playlist. We'll make another video for testing the API. Let's keep this particular video for just focusing on what are different functionalities that are covered with the API. And in the next video, I'll be talking about how to connect it with this access token and then start trading yourself. Now, how much does it cost? Very important question, right? You'll be very happy to know this thing that this API is free of cost for extracting the trading, I would say for using the trading segment of the API. In order to place trades or do any trading related stuff, this is absolutely free. In order to get the market data or in order to use the market API, there's a very small amount of cost that you'll have to pay, which is 499 rupees a month, and that is also free if you place 25 orders or more into the FNO side. So for example, say I open this account. Let me do it right now in front of you. So I'll go here, I'll click on this particular segment, which is DhanHQ API access. I'll click here, it will ask me to pay. That's the one-time payment that I need to do. If I keep on making more than 25 trades in the FNO side, I won't be required to pay 499 rupees again and again. For the first time, let's do it. I clicked here, it's complete. Just one click and then this API access has been given to me. Now, I'll have to either pay this 499 rupees per month or just make as small as 25 trades, right, in options or futures side, and then I don't need to pay it for on a monthly basis, right? So this is the API, this is the, I would say, pricing of this particular API. So with a click of this one button, I have unlocked this data API as well. I'll repeat, the trading API is free, the data API is chargeable, which is 499 rupees per month, and if that is also free if you place more than 25 orders in futures or options. So in this case, I have unlocked it. Now, how to use this access token and place your trades and make your trading life very easy. For that, you'll have to watch my second video. I'll talk about how to use this access code. I'll write a basic code in the second video and will show how to place some trades in this entire playlist. So just stay tuned to this playlist and I'll see you in the next video.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.